Hi full stackers. This video we are going to use Golang to find out our internet speed. Come, let's see how to do it. For that, you can go to package.go.dev and you can find here all the necessary packages needed for your specific functionality. I am going to search for internet speed, and you can see here various packages published by different persons. You can pick one of these and try it out, and based on your choice you can decide. So this is same like the jar files which you use in Java, or the binaries DLL which we used in the Microsoft. So I have already selected one package which is speedtest-go. So I'm going to go here and show you. So I'm using this particular package. So here if we see speedtest.fetch user info. So the first line gives us the user information. I am setting the location and the latitude longitude, test latitude longitude manually, and then I am just printing out the user. Now there is a function fetch server. So if I call the function passing the specific user for this particular latitude longitude, it's going to return me all the nearest server which are near to it. So these function fetch server, right? So how do we know it? It's all given here. So different functions which are available inside the package server.go. We have fetch server by context, we have fetch server by ID, or just first fetch server. So in this case I don't know my server ID, so I am fetching all the servers. I am printing out the servers, and we find the server passing an empty array. So once I get the targets, okay, so this is going to give me the nearest server which is located near the user. So you can see here in the documentation, for find server, if you don't give a server ID, right, if we just give an empty, if the ID is not found, it's going to return the server with the lowest latency. The same way in the code, if we see, it's going to iterate and see, but in our case we are not passing anything, so it is 0, so it's going to return the lowest server. And then we use the inbuilt methods to check whether the download test and upload test, and then we print the latency, download speed and upload speed. We are doing here to ensure that the server is accessible, just to make sure that we don't end up hitting a dead server. So now we print here. Okay, so when I am going to execute it, as usual, go run dot. So you can see that first it's printing the user my IP address, but now I am setting the specific latitude longitude, because the problem is this will not give the actual IP address of where we are, right? It's going to always give a IP address of the registered this one, service provider, ISP, internet service provider. So if you want to test from your location, set it, and then you can see that it's giving me list of all the servers. 80 kilometers, that is a server, and 117. So out of which the lowest latency server 80.37 is selected, and which is Vandavasi, and it's printing the download speed is 45 MB and upload is 41 MB. So you can find this code here. I have also uploaded this code into my GitHub. We can take a look at it, and this is how we find out the speed of our ISP using Golang. I hope this would have given you an idea of using Golang to find the ISP. Just keep watching and share the knowledge. Educate at least few people, whomever you can. Let's spread the knowledge. Take care, and I'll meet you in another video.